Alright, we are gonna find the value of this fraction. To solve this, I'm gonna rewrite it in the form of a simple division. So first, on top we have, let me rewrite it here, this 8 divided by 4 divided by this 8, right? This is on top. I put them in parentheses. Then over, so it can be written in the form of a simple division over these 4. Next, let's start with the operation inside the parentheses. You can see two division signs here. So should we start with left one or right one? Remember, in this case, when we have more than one division in one equation, you need to start your work from left and go to the right. So first left one, this division. 8 divided by 4 is gonna be 2. I write it here. Then divided by this 8, right? So 2 divided by 8. All this divided by this 4. So now, again, let's do operation inside this parenthesis. So we have division. 2 divided by 8. It can be written in the form of a fraction. So 2 over 8 divided by this 4. This 2 divided by 2 is gonna be 1. This 8 divided by 2 is gonna be 4. So it is gonna be 1 over 4 divided by this 4. Okay, next. 4 is same as 4 over 1, right? So what can you see here? Division of two fractions. To solve this, we need to follow KCF. But what is KCF? This K stands for keep, C stands for change, and lastly F stands for flip. Let's follow this KCF and solve this division of two fractions. Keep the first fraction. So I rewrite it here 1 over 4, right? Change division to multiplication, right? And lastly, flip the second fraction. To flip this one comes up and this 4 goes down. So it is gonna be 1 over 4. And finally, 1 over 4 times 1 over 4. 1 times 1 is gonna be 1, and 4 times 4 is 16. And this is your answer. Have fun.